Hi everybody, this is my homework. American T sound. 1. T at the beginning of a word. Stressed syllable. For example, it took him 10 times to try the telephone. It took him 10 times to try the telephone. 2. It's Tommy's turn to tell the teacher the truth. Stop touching test toes. Stop touching test toes. Next, the as the middle for word. City, better, water, computer, mother, border, border. Sentences. What a good idea. Put it in a border. It's getting harder and harder. Betty Bart, bitter, better, badder. Betty Bart, bitter, better, badder. Next, T at the end of a word. T at the end of a word. What, hot, get, want. For example, what? I feel hot. I feel hot. Take it. Take it. It's what they want to get. It's what they want to get. Next. T before N. Mountain. Ban. Keen. Kern. And T after N. Interview. Internet. Interact. Thanks for watching.